morning, this is Hanifa. Thank you so much for responding to my question. It says, where does your self-confidence come from? Comment below. Well, many questions have different ways of answering, and you have all answered very carefully and authentically. Thank you very much. What I would like to see, therefore, is that you're able to respond in writing other than speaking. I think some of you are still hesitant to give me your videos, which is the speaking, but in writing, probably everyone has the confidence to do it because you're not facing the camera. So I'd like you to do both while you are getting ready for your Speech Up Ready workshop. Please continue to do your videos, because without practice, without showing your face on the camera, you'll never know if the messages you want to say off your head is ever going to be delivered, right? So that's very important. Right now, I'm looking at all the feedback that I have got from you. Okay, I'm going to look at it one by one. So in Hong, you say that I'm confident what I'm doing right on art and animation, just need to open to more possibilities. I'd like you to be careful on when you say such things like just need to be open. As a new startup, taking one step at a time, work hard towards the goal, challenges, okay, it drops your confidence level, because when your confidence go down, your message will stop right there in just as I need to. So where shall we go? Okay, what you can do is use this very simple formula that I've used in startup workshop, which is the standout statement. And I've always said that use it everywhere you can, anytime you can. And even though you feel that it is not the right way to move it, but please continue to use this, because it becomes natural to you to be talking about it. So for example, you say, I'm confident what I'm doing right on art animation. For me, that is just an achievement of what you're doing right now, but it doesn't say who you are. So I am a comic creator with how many years of experience? If you can see from my screen right here, years of experience in what area? Okay, I have helped, created, served, dealt with, or etc. So in my case, I always say I am not a comic creator. I am a public speaker, okay, or polyglot who has more than 50 years of experience dealing with 4 languages. Okay, I have dealt with CEOs, companies, and blah blah blah. So it's a simple sentence. And where does the confidence come from? The confidence comes from the number of years that you have been using that skill. So I've got 50 years. Okay, so if I have been teaching, so I'm teaching more than 25 years. Okay, so you put 20. Then if you in what areas? Okay, so if you're in the education industry, they say in the education and training industry. Okay, so this is very simple. This sentence can be used at any time, any place, and anywhere you want to do. So if someone's going to you want to sell something to others, okay, just say I am a venture capitalist with how many years of experience in blah blah blah, in what area. Okay, this is a very powerful sentence, and if you hear it carefully, if you hear yourself carefully, if you use this, you can always practice it in many different forms. Okay, so you don't have to change your content, change the way you phrase your question. Just use the same formula that I have already taught you in standout statement. Okay, but most importantly, you need to have a number of years, and then how experience in what area. Be very careful. Be very sure of where your experience is applied to. Next is I am confident that I will get venture capitalists to invest in my upcoming. For me, this is I will get, and all this. These are mainly on talking about your faith, okay? Faith of how you are going to work with. This is faith. All this is about faith, okay? This is faith. So in faith, it will tell, it says nothing about you right here, okay? It says nothing about you being able to get. Again, please write it. How many years have you been come up with? How do you get the idea of becoming a entrepreneur? Okay, maybe you have already. In your case, I know that you have met this business opportunity, and how did they convince you that you can be a business? You can do this business. Of course, you're looking at a blueprint, right? You look at the blueprint, and then you know they have been in this business for a number of years and you look at the figures. So you need to write it down. Okay, I am so in this case you have to write it down. I'm confident that the business I'm in, or not without saying I'm confident that. So the business that I am venturing in, has blah blah blah, has how many years of what, okay, in the making. Okay, years, numbers are very important. Numbers are very important, and what are the feedback and what are the results you can give in your statement. Okay. Thirdly, I'm confident that, Maria, you mentioned, I'm confident that my wellness business therapy will get response. Will get response. This is all about faith. Okay, this is all about faith. Again, faith is not confident. Faith is not confident. Be very careful, because when you can say, I will get more response. No. Okay, confidence has to come with experience. Confidence has to come with experience, number of years that you've done it, and how well your skill has already been accepted by your customers. Okay, so straight away you can say, I have served, okay, how many customers or how many clients in the last, how many years in the last, okay, or for the last how many years. Okay, I have discovered that I can do this, or what. Okay, I also found out that, okay, and my clients give me testimonials and repeat businesses. Okay, this gives you the confidence. Okay, this gives you the confidence. Okay, next, stronger sense of authentic self-durability. Okay, very good, nicely done, yet missing number of years, missing the numbers, and missing your standout. Confidence, be confident to use your standout statement at any time. So you can be, as an entrepreneur, I specialize in wellness, confidence, okay, therapy. My areas, okay, so okay, I can see that some of your words here we have to work on the writing, which is not so bad, very nicely done, and we need to work with it on the speech up ready, and of course I will work with you guys later. So please please give a moment to think about where you're gonna get your confidence from, dig deeper and work through it. Okay, see you in the next video. Bye bye.